I'm in the garage working on the RS5 and addressing something I haven't addressed in a while. Haven't gotten around to it. Too much car happening in car season. I just went on a drive with the Gateway Drivers Club. He just dialed the DAX over, took the car for a wash. It's clean, feel good. Now I'm gonna address some maintenance. It's a holiday weekend, so that's what you do. So let's put this around and show you guys what I'm working on. So one thing that happened last winter was the gas strut in my RS5 went out. So I reached out to the folks at FCP Euro to see if I could find a replacement. And yeah, I found this. It's gross. It's covered in grease. Yeah. But yeah, so we're dealing with this hideous thing. This hood is heavy as hell. I don't know what Audi was thinking, adding this much weight to a hood when the engine is already so far over the wheels, but it is what it is, I guess. Balance, they know what they're doing, I guess. But yeah, this is something I'm gonna swap out, and I'll show you what I bought from FCP Euro. This is the addition to replace this ugly thing that I had in the meantime, holding up the hood, because over the last winter it went out. The gas strut that was here went out, so reached out to FCP Euro. They sent me a replacement strut. Let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like. So this is the hood strut replacement I bought. I'm gonna get it installed now, and hopefully I don't have to deal with that ugly rod anymore. All right, next on to get this installed. This is a catch can I installed. I think I posted a video about how to get this installed, but it was tricky. I made all these fuel lines myself. These are 12 AN lines. Sorry for if you hear it in the background, that's my neighbor's bike. Cool guy. So yeah, catch can RS5. This was tricky as hell. Finding a spot here to mount it. Just a simple even energy catch can. Get that installed, and it stops a ton of blow by. So installing the hood strut should be pretty straightforward. You just gotta pop the clip out with a flathead screwdriver on both ends, and then you pop the end on these nubs. One on the hood and one on the car, and then you put the clips back, and that should be it. And next, see how it looks like when it's installed.
A few moments later.
All right, chat. So you got the hood strut in. It's a lot harder than it needed to be. These pins, man. There you go. These pins, man. They are a pain. I just brute forced it. I'm sure there's an easier way to do it, but yeah, I guess I just got them in, brute forced it, just staged it, used some pliers to get the other clip in, but yeah, it was a pain. So yeah, guys, there's the old I may keep it, if I'm gonna meet that with all the pressure from this heavy hood isn't on this new strut, but I don't know. I'll keep it, see what I may need it again. Also, some of my friends may need it. We'll see. Oh, but I just got this Audi because I just like being unique. It's definitely a unique sounding car. Definitely performs unique. There's almost no other car on the market that revs to 8,500 RPM besides a S2000. So it's just fun. Hitting the back road, you hear me coming before you see me. So thanks for y'all for joining me. I'll definitely post more mini vlogs like this about what I'm doing to the car, what I'm tweaking to my car. I got some other stuff coming. I ordered a new exhaust. Right now the exhaust is stock. It's a modified stock exhaust at the moment. Right now it has a stock exhaust, and I had the resonators removed, and I had an X pipe installed, so it helps it on the top end mostly, and definitely gives it a unique sound and that crack at the 8500 RPM when I shift, and I love it. But I may do something spicy with the exhaust. When it gets here, I'll definitely post a video and show everybody what I got. Alright, thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, so I know to make more. And I'll definitely be showing more of the car, and maybe I'll gap a BMW next time. You never know. Alright, thanks everyone.